Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a super easy and delicious potato and sweet pepper stir fry. So this is for our lunch meal. I made two side dish. One is with this potato and sweet pepper. The other is with okra. Both taste next level. It's a super easy recipe that you can make within 15 minutes. This okra recipe I will be sharing in my next video. So please subscribe if you're new to my channel. So let's get started. It's a perfect side dish and this recipe packs a punch of flavors. Let's jump right into it. For this recipe we will need potatoes, and here I'm using Golden Idaho potato, 4 to 5 numbers. To make this process faster, I usually do microwave the potatoes, and here it's done. We will peel the skin and get ready the masala or the seasoning for the potato fry. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. This is raw cumin seed, no powdered one. Turmeric powder or turmeric, 1 teaspoon each. Red chili powder, half teaspoon is good, or you can add paprika also. It's for that nice beautiful red color. Now give it a good mix. You can add salt per taste. So as the potatoes are already cooked and the masalas are well mixed, we want the flavors to get in. That's why we close the lid and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes in medium heat. So here we have taken sweet peppers, or we call it bell peppers also. I've taken 1 thumb-sized ginger and 1 garlic clove. Finally chop it and add to this mix. Give it a good mix. And here you can see I've added the sweet peppers, garlic and ginger. Now well combined, they give such a nice smell. It smells really good. There's no onion in this recipe. If you want, you can add white onion or red onion finely chopped with the bell peppers. So here I've added parsley. And look how delicious it looks. It's super easy recipe. Hardly took 15 minutes and the recipe is done and ready to be served. Enjoy this. It's perfect crispy outside and soft potatoes. You can see the brown tint on the potatoes. It's perfect crispy, very tasty, flavorful. The garlic, I added only 1 garlic. Too much of garlic also doesn't taste good. So also once the garlic and ginger is heated, the taste, the flavor changes. So there's no raw taste in that, but it gives a very tasty flavor to these potatoes. Easy and delish potato recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing the okra recipe with you all. It's a super easy recipe and taste next level. I'll share the technique how to make it perfect, and there's no gooey consistency or the slimy thing on that okra. I'll share all the tips in that video. Please subscribe. I hope to see you soon again. Till then, bye bye, take care.